Hello and welcome back to With Your Family Wisdom at ppptime.com. And today we just have a little tidbit of wisdom for you.
Yeah, my name is Daryl and this is Rose. Yeah, we just want to share with you from an experience that we've had from our air conditioner standpoint. If you're having a problem with your air conditioner not starting, or when it starts, it's kicking off the breaker box, is that through an investigation that all you need is a starter kit. And to take on that extra surge instead of them changing out the breaker or putting out a bigger breaker into your box. So.
Right. Yeah, sometimes they may say you need a compressor or you may need more
Freon,
Freon or capacitor. But for us, it was just a starter kit.
Yeah. So those other answers are more common, but I never, out of how many years of owning a home, I never heard of, drawing more energy than it needs to get started. But once we did that, we had no more problems with it.
That was very interesting to know that they put a starter kit on an air conditioner. But main reason why we want to share this wisdom with you is because they tell you need more Freon, and if you have an older air conditioner unit, they might sell you a whole new unit because they may tell you that Freon is no longer available.
Right. But in actuality, they have gotten an exemption to use up all the Freon that was captured from the old units. Mm-hmm. So as long as that Freon is available, you can get it. So your system is not supposed to leak out Freon. It's a closed loop system, so to speak. So ours was down a little bit just because of them checking it and letting some seep out. So anyway, they topped it off, and the primary problem was the extra amperage that was it was drawing in order to start.
Right. So if your air conditioner is kicking off and flipping the breaker, you may need a starter kit. And also, if you need more Freon, check around to different vendors to see who may have some of the Freon that has went out, and you may not have to buy a whole new unit in order to get your
time fixed. Right?
Yeah. Right. Okay, that's a little Woodruff family wisdom concerning the air conditioner. And remember that you are happy, healthy, wealthy, fit, and forgiven.
God bless.